We hear a lot in today's world about company culture and how important it is for businesses. Some businesses think culture means having casual Fridays or providing pizza once a week. But it's so much more than letting your employees wear jeans one day of the week. In this video, let's discuss why nailing down your shop's culture is a vital key to your success and increasing your shop's value. I'm sure I'm not breaking any news to you by saying this, but the topic of shop culture can be seriously confusing and frustrating. What the heck does it even mean? Well, experts say that implementing processes and procedures will help make your shop more attractive to not just your staff, but also potential buyers down the line. You may not be thinking of it now, but your shop's culture can seriously ease the transition and make succession planning a bit easier. The automotive repair industry is fast moving and ever evolving, but have solace, as there is one element that remains consistently important: the culture you establish as the shop owner. Your shop culture doesn't have to be a fairy tale concept. Rather, it should be looked at as an important asset. The catalyst behind any good shop culture lies solely in the leadership qualities you show to your team. However, don't think of leadership as just managing your shop operations. It's also important to set an example for your team. Establishing your culture helps to create an environment that succeeds based on mutual respect and values you share across the shop. One way to do this is by working alongside your technicians and service advisors in the toughest times. Think of it as being a basketball coach that runs sprints with his or her players at practice. This can help build a foundation where employees feel supported, knowing that no matter what, their leader is there to face difficulties right alongside them. What does this have to do with succession planning, though? Assuming you either plan to sell your shop or pass it down, you still want it to succeed and your legacy to remain long after you're gone. By establishing your culture, that continuity will ensure the business's identity is still there. Without an established culture and a team that does not share the core beliefs instilled by the original owner, the business may not do well under new ownership. A positive culture will also translate to more monetary success and increase your brand's reputation. When employees are happy and motivated by the message your culture conveys, they are more likely to care more about the service they're providing, which translates to more customer satisfaction and loyalty. That means your shop's financial health is not only better, but you'll have a better reputation in the market, making your shop more appealing when it comes time to pass it off. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.